Hey everybody, I wanted to jump on here and do a quick review of the CORSAIR 7000D Airflow full tower case. This is a great case for large, intricate builds or to maximize airflow and cooling. There are multiple configurations depending on your cooling, expansion slot, and drive bay needs, including space for 6 3.5-inch and 4 2.5-inch hard drives. The hinged metal and tempered glass side panels and magnetic dust filters on top, side, and front make cleaning very easy. The case is massive at about 22 inches long and 24 inches high and heavy, so make sure you have enough room and a sturdy desk for it. I went with this case to make sure I had enough room for the ROG Strix 4090, and there is plenty of room to spare. The case allows for 3 360mm or 2 420mm radiators. This would be a good option for a custom water cooling loop. I have a top-mounted Arctic liquid freezer 2 420mm all-in-one cooler with 3 front-mounted Noctua 140mm case fans. There are 4 USB 3.0 Type A and 1 USB 3.1 Type C ports on the top of the case. I've been using this case for over a year now, and I definitely recommend it.